It's a 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. Features include OnStar Emergency SOS, Internet access, four-wheel anti-lock vented disc brakes, a high-torque V8 engine, heavy-duty suspension, gas pressurized shock absorbers, and a 125-amp alternator system. It also features a multi-speaker stereo sound system, multiple power outlets, and more.
The four-wheel drive allows you to go anywhere. The bed liner protects your truck so you can focus on getting the job done. Leave the scraper in the car thanks to the heated mirrors.
The proven toughness of Chevy heavy-duty trucks, a spacious passenger cabin, and a long list of features make this 3/4-ton pickup a great buy. Take it for a test drive today.
Beechmont Ford, we're a friend in the community. Stop in today. We're easy to find, easy to deal with. Off of I-275 at 65A Beechmont Avenue.